Case Study Project Meeting 1, Business Requirements and Analysis by Marie Auner. Let's review the roles of a business analyst. They define the business requirements, they plan the requirements approach, they identify project stakeholders and user classes, they elicit requirements, they analyze requirements, they document requirements, they communicate requirements, they lead requirements validation, they facilitate requirements prioritization, they manage requirements, and this is cited in the Software Requirements book, Chapter 4, as noted below. Case study goals. Students will attend this first project meeting and play the part of a business analyst. Students will listen to the initial project proposal. Students will gather the requirements as told by the product owner. That is myself, Marie Auner. Students should take notes as the project requirements are being explained. Based on the information shared by the product owner, your position as a business analyst is to document the project requirements by creating the following. Number 1, create the user stories required with additional subtasks as needed. 2, create the use case diagram showing all stakeholders, customers, participants who use or work with the project. 3, describe your initial proposal on the database layer, including an entity relationship diagram. 4, describe your initial proposal on the report layer, including report design samples. 5, describe your initial proposal on the software layer, including UML diagrams. 6, describe your initial proposal on the web design layer, including web design samples. 7, describe your initial proposal on the user experience layer. 8, list and prioritize the product backlog. And 9, create a presentation along with your recording going over each of the above requirements documentation as if you were presenting it during your next team meeting with the product owner and the rest of the project team. It's important that you cite any pictures or other information used from other websites. Include the author and the links if possible. For example, if it's a picture of an actual hotel room, then be sure to cite the source and the link within the part of the presentation. Do not copy entire hotel sites or entire pages. No credit will be given for copying most of another site. It's important you use your own web design. It's important to use your own web design, user experience, database design, and development skills. Listen carefully to the project requirements. Hello, I'm Marie Auner. I just bought an existing hotel about 2 months ago that I'd like to rebrand and create a new website for. I'm certainly looking to you for your expertise in web design and user experience. As an owner of a hotel, I'm not the IT person at all. After all, I run hotels for a business. Well, I can envision a few things about this new hotel website. I can see about 5 main pages. Number 1, the home page would include the name of the hotel, a front picture of the front of it, a logo, and its location. The name of the hotel is Northwoods Hotel. For purposes of this course, the address will be that of the main NTC campus in Wausau. I would like to see several tabs about other related information related to this hotel. So there would be a tab off the main page called Room Highlights. This would explain the types of rooms we have with sample pictures of them and a room cost. This hotel has 60 rooms. 40 rooms have queen beds in each of them. 20 rooms have 1 king bed in each of them. There would be a tab called Location with a map of the area with this hotel pinpointed on it. There would be another tab called Contact Us. This page would allow customers to enter in their full name, email address, phone number, and a comment area to type in a message. They could ask any additional information, such as whether there are special accommodations available. This message then would be emailed to us. The fourth tab would be called Reservations. Initially, only our front desk staff will be able to make the reservations, but our customers should be able to see if there are rooms available. There should be a drop-down calendar. When reservations are entered, staff will enter first name, last name, arrival date, departure date, type of room, price quoted, and cash or credit card type and number. I would like to tell you a little bit about my hotel employees and their work shifts. We have about a half an hour overlap of employees. We are staffed 24 hours a day. I work as a manager from 7:30 until 3:30. Two others work from 8 to 4:30 p.m. One second shift employee works from 4 p.m. until 12:30 a.m. One third shift employee works from 12 midnight until 8:30 a.m. I would like to tell you about a couple of reports that I need to run my hotel business as a minimum. First, a reservation agreement form. This would be printed for each customer on their arrival date. Most of us have filled out some type of information sheet when we've checked into a hotel. Included on this form would be the customer's full name, address, arrival date, departure date, room rate assigned, car model, and license number, and a place for the customer to sign and date it. The second report I would like to see is I would like my third shift employees to print out, before I come in at 7:30, a list of all customers who are scheduled to arrive that day. And this would be sorted in customer last name sequence. In addition to their name and address, the room rate quoted, as well as a departure date should be listed. Well, I think that is all I can think of right now. Do you have any questions right now? Okay then. I'd like you and your team to go back and analyze my specifications. Maybe we can meet in about a week to discuss your ideas and design. Okay, thank you very much for taking the time to meet. I have to leave now to go to another meeting. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.